Please allow us to read the Mariners Hong Kong chapter milestone. The Crusaders of the Divine Church of Christ, Philippines, Incorporated, Mariners Hong Kong chapter, Overseas Archdiocese, is now in her 40th years of history on November 16, 2023. It began with only 10 members in 1983. It was organized by our beloved late Monsignor Emmanuel V. Magliba and Monsignor Adriano Calumag Jr. While the members were visiting the scenic spot in Hong Kong, they serendipitously met at the amazing park on top of the hill named Mariners Signal Hill Garden, Shim Sha Tsui, Kowloon. Right there, they recognized one another through their pin. The chapter have been organized and named Crusaders of the Divine Church of Christ Mariners Hong Kong chapter. They use the pavilion of the park for the religious activities. The chapter launched its first anniversary in November 1984 and have consistently did every year, which was attended by His Holy Eminence, Monsignor Dr. Rufino S. Magliba, and some royal families and higher clergies of the congregation. In March 1993, the chapter was so proud of the recognition it received from the CDCCPI Manila Cathedral when the groundbreaking until consecration of church and convent was accomplished. From November 1992 to 1996, the Mariners Hong Kong chapter made a milestone in celebrating its coronation of Miss CDCCPI Mariners Hong Kong at the Holiday Inn Golden Mile, Kowloon, Hong Kong. The chapter was then divided into 6 groups: Pangasinan, Isabela Ifugao, Ilocos Norte, Tarlac, Suramadre, and Cagayan Valley. Cash earnings from this 5-year activity was donated for the construction of the CDCCPI Santa Cecilia Basilica Church at Barangay Magliba, San Fabian, Pangasinan, Philippines. Upon the consecration of the main church of the CDCCPI, also called the New Jerusalem, in January 9 to 10 to 1997, due to the concerted effort of the members, the significant achievements of the CDCCPI Mariners Hong Kong chapter have recognized by the whole congregation. Since then, up to 2015, with the supervision of the late Supreme Pontiff Monsignor Narciso Breg V. Magliba and Prince Romulo Jog V. Magliba, up to the new administration under the CDCCPI overall administrator, Prince Estrelito V. Magliba, the Mariners Hong Kong chapter continues in helping different local chapters by giving cash aids for the construction of churches.
In the year 2016, members started to grow because of the Fly Now Pay Later scheme by overall administrator Prince Estrelito V. Magliba. The project is intended to all CDCCPI members who are willing to work as OFWs. Under the helm of our overall administrator, Mula sa Puso program had begun as an obligation for all CDCCPI members, both local and overseas. This is a big help to speed up the completion of all CDCCPI churches in the Philippines. MSP is evidently a successful program as number of constructed and consecrated churches has grown exponentially in the past years up to present. Mariners Hong Kong chapter maintained its rank as being number 1 for MSP contributions in the overseas remittances since then. In the year 2020, the chapter had organized functional departmentalization such as follows: Apostolic Missioners Association, White Ladies, Crusaders Music Ministry, Crusaders Officers League, and recognized its sub-organizational ETSC, Women's, Honor Guards, Crusaders Kabataan, and CMRC in 2021. Recently, the chapter held its first joint raffle bonanza with Macau chapter during the Christmas celebration. Our overall administrator had anointed the grand prize worth 100,000 pesos. Today, we are celebrating a very momentous event here at Holiday Inn as our 40th anniversary coincides with the oath-taking of the newly elected officers in every department of the congregation for the year 2024 to 2027. May the abundant blessings and guidance of our omnipotent God, the Holy Spirit, Ama Monsignor Dr. Rufino S. Magliba, and the Mother of our faith, Ina Nuestra Señora Cecilia Juliana Magliba, be with us always. Happy 40th anniversary, Mariners Hong Kong Chapter.
Okay, congratulations sa ating lahat for reaching this 40th anniversary. Now, as we reach and celebrate our 40th anniversary, we are also gathered here today to witness the oath-taking of the newly elected officers in different departments. To all the elected officers for the year 2024 to 2027, please proceed to your designated place or spot as we mention your department for the oath-taking. Are you ready? All right. So first on the list, the Crusaders Kabataan Department newly elected officers. Please proceed in front and
followed by ETSC Department,
Women's Sorority Department, our chapter ministers,